WE, baby.
Spend some money, not just a trip away.
Yeah, welcome to it. You're still tuning in to Timeline Radio Sports, and this is our part 2 of episode 19. And we still have more things to talk about, more interesting news to talk about, like the Soweto Derby ticket sales, the complaints, the resident complaint stated by Vini, and also we have some ranking to do for the Kaizer Chiefs coaches, right? So guys, our next topic is the Soweto Derby ticket sales, and I think song is when it right? So Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns ticket did not meet the target, and on the other side, the Soweto Derby's ticket was sold out within hours. So now I want to know or understand, Nguti, what do you think makes the derby bigger than the other matches in South African football? Is it the history or rivals, or it's just the fan base size?
He has the biggest following. You cannot question Kaizer Chiefs when it comes to that. They have mastered that department.
Yeah.
The
Kaizer Chiefs.
The Kaizer Chiefs, they have mastered that. You know, Kaizer Chiefs fans, they live for that match. They come from all across Africa, all across the country for that match. And I believe, because you mentioned Sundowns, the Pirates. In terms of play, it's probably the best fixture in the PSL, Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. But in terms of crowd pulling, you can never come close to the derby. You won't. It's the biggest fixture in the country.
Okay.
So now it gets to the question, which is it based on history or like Gwenzagalan? Because when you're looking at Kaizer Chiefs, idlala namanye ama team, you don't see lento leyenzeka when they are playing against the Orlando Pirates. So shuthi kunezinto eziningi that are happening behind the scenes ukuthi ezenza ukuthi le game leya ibe nale hype le ebanayo, because of as much as we are having phela ama fans of Kaizer Chiefs bekumele ngabe afila iFNB Stadium
Week in, week out.
week in, week out. Okay, wabo. But they are not doing that. It's only like that game. And one other thing that I've noticed, like I think even mani nenkuku Kaizer le ifuna ukuyobukela idabi isifuna is a FNB Stadium, you'll find people, they are not even there for soccer. Abantu maybe 30% or 40% of people, you can ask them what happened. They didn't see anything. It was a grounding. So I think how they market like game there, it's on another level. It's on a different level. So I don't even know now, since Black Label if I get even more money to Kaizer Chiefs, go by disaster FNB.
Because it's not only the biggest game or the biggest derby in South Africa, but in Africa.
Yeah.
You know, I think something about the level of it when you compare to other international football. Like even in international, it always come out as the best game or the best. Yeah. So I think it's because of the two rivals. That's why they came with like big the history that is there in cool, and because besides which Chiefs in our fans money, I think you said something about Chiefs having fans. I think we had Bloemfontein Celtics.
Yeah.
It had fans money, I think, compared to all the teams. But this night and it was doing well. I don't remember when. But this I'm sold out, I'm friends are. So I just think that it's because of the history, these two teams. That's why, like, we in Tenkulanga, I doubt which is even the marketing. Like, I don't think they have to market like to market the game. Like, we all know I think the song is La Salala Saz, which meant 28 next year, I think it because why? Yeah, so I think it's because of the history that the two teams has. That's why, like, English standard they go.
You know what's the argument with this, man?
The argument is Kumbalangs have been having this debate between the Pirates and Chiefs, which one is the biggest team. Right? So now they looked at a game, a game with Chiefs, the Sundowns, still go on Sundown. Yes, you know it's 90% is Chiefs. So now we Sundowns, the Pirates, still. People are hoping with at least some friends with Pirates, they will buy more tickets. When I'm because they have not sold out most of those teams. That's the team 1 year, so getting some more. So the debate was there because yes, Pakistan Sundowns, the Chiefs, regardless, sold out. Now we Sundowns the Pirates. That's what we expected to be sold out. But now it's forever with the match. So in that sense, I'm not comparing Chiefs and Pirates. So it means the Chiefs are big. It's big when it comes to moving tickets. You understand? The Sundowns, while the Pirates, that means my friends with Pirates, they strike because Magutan and Pirates really fight with Pirates. In the Sundowns, people are expecting more to see more Pirates fans, not just my friends with Sundowns. That's how they compare. How they can say.
Yeah, and the other disadvantage regarding the reverse fixture, it was during the week. Yes. I mean, people, it's a working day to the following day. So you cannot expect Bapume from other provinces and drive back and then to be able to report for work tomorrow. I think also that contributed. Had it been a weekend game, I think that game was going to sell out very easily.
Also remember, I think this season where Sundowns are complaining. They hardly put them on Saturdays. They are all on Sundays. So the people take Monday Sunday. I want to stay there because of now.
Tomorrow they have to go to work.
And by the bad some officials were hardly those ones that are calling me Saturday Sunday.
Yeah, I think it's because of Bayabon and Abuchi at the end of the day, Agna Malenga Gabazo Yenza. Like honestly, if as much as they are better than other teams, you know, the only time Sundowns will feel in the stadium is when we open gate. That one we know. If uzang skip yellow, then like it's open gate. That's when was of Philly Stadium. But besides that, okay, we can just like sit at a game Pirates and Chiefs, see Fage Wednesday. Still, it's going to be a disaster. Yeah, well, it's going to be a disaster. I think now the topic here, it's like, if it came here Pirates and Sundowns by Saturday, was it going to sell out within a couple of hours? No. It wasn't going to do that. No. So now, when you're looking at TK Kaizer Chiefs, the Orlando Pirates, Puma, 5 hours down the line, so you're struggling to look to Lamatigit. So that's the problem. And also, I doubt Guti won't come to ticket because of Bafunuge Stadium. Others they are looking at some business opportunities. People will be selling those tickets there. Okay. So of which that's the other thing that PSL needs to deal with in terms of Guti umangabe uteng ticket, then uteng ticket mawuqeda stadium at the end of the day.
I think another thing, because you spoke about the strategy, the sponsor Europe or EPL. My teams go name after Man City as well. That's what I see all the teams that we supported. So it worked for Bloemfontein. And by name after Bloemfontein. That's why I'm going to lose. It was big even on my Facebook by name after. That time it was a thing. You know, so the teams as they after, they came up with their own names, you understand? Even though we team are still in but Imagine doesn't make sense. They don't really like EPL. That's why it was easier. It's either now EPL more in Liverpool down, Chelsea down, Manchester is down. So it means more say Manchester. We are forced at some point to favor
the blue side or the red side.
And that's why now it's in job. Now Celtic they saw it earlier. They did it that time. That's why Celtic is better. But feeling like I'm friends of my name. Because for one person
associate himself.
So it was the same thing. So then we started having outbreaks in the past and what. So now they want to try to keep something.
But I will disagree because if you're looking at the Celtics fans, Amazulu fans, they're all Pirates fans or Kaizer Chiefs fans. The only thing is when Celtics is playing against another team, and then obviously they will rally against a team as a Kaslawa. But at the end of the day, those people they support the Pirates, those people they support the Kaizer Chiefs. So Amakasi
I don't think that people just were in for those teams like that.
Yeah, we do have, but akusi abantu abangako. Like Amazulu team yakudala, guys, let's be honest. They've been there. So, but still, abakhona ukuthi ba maintain like numbers and knowing how tribalist those people are, they should have been good. Umzulu, favor Amazulu.
Yeah.
Marketing counts.
So hence now we get to Kaizer Chiefs, which they did their job. And besides which, the only reason why goes to you gonna say next year, 28th of February, it's because of those people did their job. So if it was a Golden Arrows, ama game the game Arrows ukuthi like idlala nini or iDerby yase KZN ukuthi like idlala nini. But when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, sebasebenzile. So now like a goodwill say yabhadala like ukuthi already they've done their job. So there's no need ukuthi base bayi market ngale yandlela because yona says marketer like already.
I mean, I saw something over, I think 2 weeks back. There were guys that were leaving England, traveling to South Africa to come watch the derby. You see? That's how big that fixture is.
Let's disappointed. Like, but and still abantu basazoqhubeka.
Yeah.
People were borrowing t-shirts like they don't know anything about soccer, those people, but they wanna go there. Yeah, man. So I'm just scared with the black label yobayenzana abantu FNB oh, obviously phela ngofika lapha angeke uthole any other beer bazokutshela ngeblack label. Yeah, kuzoba iblack label. Yeah. So a problem.
So I'm still.
Yeah, I'm still arena.
So you can't bring your thing lah.
If you don't give me chips,
Oh.
so it is like it was also allowed.
Okay. So
But I'm still that delay stadium or a Paris, because that delay I'm still is still unnecessary belong Paris. So if you play label, you play label in Kaizer. So I'm still.
So if you choose in a man for so you're emphasizing that.
No, my point is that delay I'm still. There are things that I understand because I must know the delay I'm still buys it through the stadium.
Yeah, it's
Because I was there, we signed some contract, so it has to do with the Pirates in some
But
way.
now it means no matter I'm still whatever. It means abana rights to see abantu bangayibaniza ukusho about njenge play with what certain rights. I don't know if that makes sense. But also I might be wrong. This should just be sure we'll see. What's the delay I'm still? Yeah, that's as much as we should do. That means he play will walk home game which is.
Yeah, I think Amstel deal it's for naming rights. Angithi the stadium management owns the stadium and that is run by the municipality. So they bought the naming rights of the stadium for a period of 5 years. So if it's working for them, maybe they'll renew 5 years. Yes. Yeah.
And yes, in love well, that means you might see me that
Okay, guys, moving on. We don't have much time left. So our next topic is the ranking of Kaizer Chiefs coaches. So the thing is, Kaizer Chiefs has had a coach like compared to other teams starting from 2018. Like it had 9 coaches. And Jenga I want us to rank those coaches. So, and I also want to know from you guys, what do you think what might be the problem of having so many coaches in such a short period of time? Do you know any coaches?
Yeah, obvious. How?
All 9 of them.
I'm a coach of Kaizer Chiefs. Let it about Kevin Johnson. Kevin Johnson. Yeah.
No, they're
Yeah, bakhona. I think when it comes to Guba coach by Kaizer Chiefs, ne, I've seen a lot of them, and I'm not a fan of my international coach.
Yeah.
But there was this guy who Solinas. There was this guy who Solinas. And when I've seen Kaizer Chiefs having a direction, Kaizer Chiefs Mayokora, you will tell which it is Bayokora Lapan. When Kadlez about Zoom, and Kaizer Chiefs was playing soccer at that time, even though they were not winning.
Can I just name them for you?
I gave you my rating, Solinas. There is a guy called Solinas there. If Beguyangam, that guy ngabazange bamtetela.
Yeah.
And also after was it after or before Uba needed up?
That was before 2018. Last year from 2018.
No, call Solinas.
Yes. So it's Molefinteki. So it's Giovanni.
Solinas.
Yes, Solinas. And then there's Kevin Johnson, Atazani, Stuart Dexter, then Ernest,
Mirando.
yes, then Devin Hunt and Steve Compella. Lastly is Nazareth Nadi.
Ukompela is going to be the worst because uhlali no Stuart Baxter, Bafana. Like I felt Gucci Maga take over. Uzo continue whatever the Stuart Baxter bega ends of which were failed.
Yeah. You ranking from number 9, 8, and cinema.
My first coach is going to be Solinas, and then number 9, Octin.
Number 9.
Who's your number 9?
Yeah.
Hi.
I'm telling you, Yazi. Okay, honestly speaking, ne?
Yes.
There is a guy, Ekaslam of Heavy Chiefs. I can't call him Namklaj.
Why?
Because of I said, Gucci, there is nothing special in Umidadop. Umidadop, lose net bank against the Chess Galaxy. Ne? Magakata, but abantu bajabule ukuthi uhleli phezulu. Ngithi what if uzoluza na leyo league leyo? So makanga lose league, yini achieve? Yini difference between Umidadop and Steve Compel? It's one and the same. So mina Umidadop for mina ungidinela ukuthi uthatha ama hopes wabeka lapha. Magakata, how can you lose the league in the last 30 minutes? Last 30 minutes, not even last game, last 30 minutes. I wasted my data, my battery. Ngile cruiser nice le Dennisville ngisescape ngithi ngibukela leya game. Sadliwe.
Okay, so your number 9 is Ernest.
Ernest.
Yes.
Alandela umngane wakhe
Okay, from the list, Mina, I'll say Kevin Johnson.
Number 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wouldn't agree with that based on Kevin Johnson who's prevailed against Abu Platinum. It was Platinum Stars.
Yeah. But at Chiefs.
Yeah. But says Kuluma a philosophical coach. Somehow you Kaizer Chiefs we understand which in Tebabulalayo it's even management more than any other thing. But coach we are born direction yakhe even though angatholanga I chance ngakho. So it's fine. Kevin Johnson and Smith Steve Compella.
Yeah, Compella because also
he stayed for 3 seasons.
You understand? And from Compella, he started very deep. So for me, I think Compella, and also because of now, it's been Roma Goods playing was a friend
Double Pobi.
You understand? And those seasons I keep dying. True.
Guys, we don't have minutes more time. So Zamani Guba quick.
Number 8.
Steve Compel. Waste.
Molefinteki.
7. We'll still have
ngathatha yena Nteki akangene naye lapho. I think ngizoloku ngimlandela kanje because I feel ukuthi naye azange athola chance even though bekangeka yenze next but hayi waste.
Okay, and then 7.
Name
So it's Nteki it's Kevin, it's Atazani, Stuart, it's Kevin Hunt, it's Nabi.
And we are landed is Kevin Hunt.
Kevin Hunt.
Yeah. My number 7, Nabi.
Nabi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where we number 6.
Number 6.
Yes.
Baphi konje? Thingbo.
You said
Okay, mina number 6 wami ngizonikeza unto Gavin Hunt.
okay.
Same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 5.
Number 5
That's one for me.
Okay. Straight backs ungena second coming angithi. Yeah, akahlale lapho.
Go 5.
Yeah, go 5. Straight backs. Not the first thing to go straight backs, but the second one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your number 4.
Nazruddin Nabi.
Okay.
Kevin Hunt.
You didn't say your number 6. Okay. So number 3.
Kushoda bani watazwane unto
Yes, when uzana ubeka mention.
Yeah, uzwana number 2.
Number 3. Steve Kompe. Yeah.
Lidina guy alone.
Maqala, okay, atazwane number 2. Yeah.
But last time to number 3 wakho.
And then number 1 uSolinas. Lo ngambiza.
Number 3 wakho.
Ubani ngambizanga lapho.
Nabi.
Unazweni nabi number ngifake kunto ku4 angithi. And then ngichecka
Also-
labana.
Your number 1 mark is
Number 1 unto Solinas.
Okay.
Yeah, now I'm going for Solinas. That guy made that team play beautiful football.
number 3.
Ngeke. Steve
This
Kompela.
is number 3 one.
Yeah. Mina number 2 wami atazwane, number 3, number 1 unto, number 3 lo ngingakhuluma ngaye.
Oh, my number 2 mina was Stuart. Yeah.
Second stint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did he win anything?
He put it on the table, but he was the last one to put it on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he deserved it.
I think Namenzo to you number 1. Yeah.
Bekuyi first leyo.
No, even on his second coming. The last one.
Uthathe iligi kayi2 kwi3 season yakhe.
But 2015,
Uyithathile yathathwa iSundowns wayithatha futhi.
it was him.
So bekuyinto
That was his second coming.
Bekuyi second coming there.
Yeah.
Are you sure guys?
Yeah.
Hayi ngabo bani?
Ngabo Chabalala.
Yes, he said there.
Uncle. Okay.
It's a fake check.
Si fact check it.
Yeah.
Since fact check, na fact check target nina nathi malishaya pali target namanje.
Okay, guys. So moving on. Okay, but before we move on,
Ama coach amaningi.
Yes.
Esho ukuthi kuna something wrong ngemanagement eKaizer Chiefs.
Chiefs in the MK party.
Honestly speaking, kuna something wrong ngemanagement because you cannot chop and change. Yabona one thing, Pizzo ku Sundowns bebangamfuni. Zulani bebangamfuni. Cardoso nang abamfuni still. But ama team amanye ayakhona ukuthi abekezele nabo coach up until baze ba deliver. So iKaizer Chiefs ina leya problem leyo ukuthi bafuna ukutshela to prove ukuthi ischeme se Chiefs sisethwe boardroom more than anywhere else. Yeah.
Patience. And it shows you good influence. Once Kaizer Chiefs supporters say you must go, make no mistake, you're going to leave that team. The supporters, they are the kingmakers, Lapan.
So moving on, guys. This is our last topic. So this is about the racism complaint stated by Vinny following the comment from Cristiano. So Vinicius Jr. gave Real the lead, after which he celebrated in front of the Benfica. Is it Benfica?
Benfica.
Yes, fans, for which he was booked. When he was confronted by Cristiani, who pulled his t-shirt up over his mouth before saying something to the Real Madrid forward. So Vinny ran to speak to the match referee, who immediately stopped the match. So the interesting point that was made by the boss, the Benfica boss, which is Jose Mourinho, has been criticized for, which is something that he has been criticized for. He suggested that Vinny had provoked the abuse with his celebration. So some of the people believe that was gaslighting. So I think this racism thing is something it's something that we're facing every time. So from you guys, I just want to know, do you think football is doing enough to deal with this racism thing?
Because sikhulumile nga this thing I think kuma episode adlulile. I don't think it's like based on football. Racism is something that it's there, and I also don't think there is something we can do about it. I just wanted to like see ungena kule topic le, it's because of they are trying to deny like utheni. Someone we analyze this thing, because I think from where Uvine beka khona to the player, then to Uvine ukigijima ukuya ku Mr. Rev. So how did the player like know ukuthi Uvine uthini ku Mr. Rev, because now bese kune distance, so that means it clearly shows ukuthi yes like uyishilo lanto le. But mangabe si chaza last si break it down, you said I think it's about time where we preparing our players mentally ukuthi babe ready for yonke lento le yenzakala, because at the end of the day even if noma singathanda kangakanani, there is nothing engako ongayenza ukushintsha like the mentality yalabantu laba, they like that, and it will take years because others bakhuliswa ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So there is nothing much I feel ukuthi esingayenza. I feel ukuthi abovina abadlala ibhola if bayahluleka hamba buyele Brazil, simple.
When this incident happened, first thing I checked was ubuya kuphi, and I found out ukuthi he's Argentinian.
Who? The other player?
The Benfica player.
Cristiano.
Yeah. He's Argentinian. Those guys are racist. There are no black players in the Argentinian national team.
Yeah.
So, Labantu Lava, they eliminated the black population from Dala, a country now. And those that are left are kept somewhere in the cage, Lapan, maybe for their amusement or something. But when I discovered Uguti was from Argentina, I was like, okay, it's not a surprise. They are racist, those guys. Yeah, and it's something you are taught racism. If ukulengayo angeke sikhiphe kuwe mawusomdala, because it's something okhuliswe ngayo ukuthi you see a black person, you see a monkey. So
but
we know it's been there but this is football, and in a human structure, you understand that people are responsible for this league, that league, whatever the association, they didn't take stand against it, because I think like with the big promote, the big you understand. And then people are like, oh, I like what's in the league, like it's just league.
yeah.
Like man, I'm saying to this league, this like has really have that house. Actually,
Let me walk out.
Let's just walk out. Because I think all you do is about. I think back there, all it's about. And if you look at a lot of people there, say, it's like people. So if now they can start having that mentality, we just walk out and solve it. Because we talk about cannabis. People who are really very strong with cannabis, they say, let's imagine that I'm saying so then to me, it was bad. It's just go. Now that's what we need to do about it.
But because say no to racism, it's a campaign that comes and goes.
Yeah, but they can come. But they're my friends. I get it. But
Exactly.
Okay, same applies to the comment Jose Aishi Lumorino. You can't say the player provoked.
How does it? But I'm not saying the player should be punished. My friend is hard to punish.
Yeah.
But in the good discipline and there is law that should go right. So that boy should be punished.
But then umpanisha uzuthi utheni? Firstly ukave. So
there is a lot of say the which you know to have a share and more something.
But now, like, also, I feel which is sifuna ukuthatha ibhola manje silisele yabona into zabo VAR into zanzani sokufakwa like imithetho eminingi ibhola it's entertainment guys. At the end of the day there will always be izinto ezinjalo ama mind games nani khona manje if kuzothiwa you're not allowed to celebrate kuma fans or my opponent it doesn't make sense when once you go to score a goal ama emotions nani you do whatever ukuthi uyenze ngaso sikhathi. But now I think we're trying to dictate even more manje ebholeni then siyashintsha seluzoba enye into manje ngathi liya programmer.
No man, my fans it's fine. It's been there, it's been like that. That's whatever we're doing, just not really fans, right? Just looks we are ceremonies. But we do have a bit of presence between parents and others. We do have that. But what's not that, you have to take it as it is. So what happens if there's talent now? That's taking place. But it's my friends, it's fine. I don't really care much about my friends, but you watch banana, what they have, this my friends now. But to someone who doesn't needs to respect the game.
It's his fellow professional.
He needs to respect
you need to respect and he has teammates so you ask yourself on a daily how is he teaching those guys?
That's not doing football. Within the game, those things need to be fixed.
I understand which yes, that thing it needs to be dealt with. But at the end of the day, remember going to mind games. So even though you know how Vinny is, guys. Like you know how you will have to do anything to keep a game in. So there are so many things that can be Gucci, like Zibe Pachali Antolia. I'm not saying Gucci Lomunto right or anything, but I'm saying Gucci like as players, man, let's be professional enough to a point to Gucci Nichi Takaza. Insa Spanin, the fact you Gucci ang Shaisan in our or ang Shaisan in Oban, but it thinks you Spansami, then in Kite and Puma into it. Because if Soko came, then won't come up with players who's a melee, Jam Makala was still Mutu play game, who's into Zabokabus. Puma do not skip my friends in. We are harmed.
I wonder if they know I'm a player, they know who exists what another player to me. From the senior or tournament, the salary of my friends, it's fine, let them do this. But I'm because now, things right now, that's difficult to pay a certain amount for a fine. When the business owner, he's going to lose money. That's it. So that's the business owner, hey guys, I'm losing money with this game. They are looking like that. Sinama to pull up a game by the way. Now they can find other managers.
Some mind games.
No, never can. For me,
so she's important.
Yeah, but
Okay, yeah, I think for Namkanjas Pelelala, this it's the end of the episode 19. Yes. Do you have anything to say? Oh, yes, we have the biggest game over the weekend, over the weekend. Do you have any score prediction?
The biggest game?
Yes. Biggest team, not Sundown.
My heart is telling me
Chiefs
is winning.
No.
Yeah. It's for my own selfish reasons.
My emotion.
Yes. Okay.
He's been afraid.
Okay.
I think it's going to be one boring draw.
Draw with no goals.
It's going to be one boring draw, that game.
2-0 Kaizer Chiefs.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. This is. I think it's a draw. Yeah.
I think Pirates gonna win or score.
I don't think Paris will win, but I think it will be a draw. No.
Yeah, I'm confused already, coach. Win.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs. That is why I'm saying Kaizer Chiefs is going to win that game.
It is the best thing in a year that we actually 1 point. Achievement there. So 1 point for Kaizer Chiefs, 1 point for Pirates, and it's a boring draw. That's it.
I'm afraid the Pirates for China. You see?
No.
Why in China?
Labaya must have seen.
My name, it's not only like
There are many incidents.
Pirates can Bashana or
I don't know. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure that you do tune in and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for hosting us, and yeah, see you.
Siyabonga Ghost. Ngihlele emazweni kaGhost.
Thank you very much.
EWE, baby.